Hello everyone, welcome to what's likely going to be my first YouTube video ever, and today we are going to visit the Sulakski Canyon in Dagestan. And it's about a 3-hour drive from Grozny, so without further ado, let's get going. Okay, so we got a bit hungry on the way here, so we decided to buy some traditional Dagestani chudu. Chudu, I think that's how it's pronounced. So it's like dough with meat and sour cream, if I'm correct. So let's see. Okay, so let's try it. That's pretty good. Very tasty, very tasty. So Islam, what do you think? Do you like it?
As you said, finger licking good.
Oh, that was actually really tasty. Like, I did not expect it to be that good. Initially we were going to try out something called the samsa, but we saw this chudu and we decided to try it out. So yeah, very tasty. Big props to the Dagestani traditional cuisine. Islam, what are you going to show us?
Follow me.
What do you think about the view, Islam?
Breathtaking.
So we found another nice view. Let's go check it out. The beautiful mountains of the Caucasian region. So there used to be, I heard that there used to be swings here, but they removed them because of some accidents, like a few girls fell down or something like that. I don't think we're halfway there, I think we're almost there.
Omar says that is Sulakski. How do you call it?
I think it's the river, or I don't know, the lake maybe. But the canyon is somewhere over there, I think. I'm not sure. Look at that view. I think you can't see it on the camera, but the water looks clean, even from here. So let's get moving and finish the last part of our journey. Okay, Islam.
So we've arrived at the canyon. So here it is. I guess this is a good place to take a photo or video. So let's go there.
Yes, we'll go over there in a second. Let me just film the view. Descending here is not as easy as it looks, and it's even quite dangerous maybe. But the view should be good, so we'll see. Definitely. The view is definitely better here. Islam is trying to take pictures of his feet here. But the view is quite amazing, to be honest. So you can also rent a boat and have a ride in the water, but we'll see. Islam, what do you think about the view?
Beautiful, isn't it? No matter how much time you spend right here, you just never get tired of this view.
Nice. Drinking tea in the mountains, right, Islam?
Right, that's right. Where are we at?
We are near the water now, so we're gonna ride in one of these things. So let's see. The water is also very clear.
How long will the ride be?
About 40 minutes.
Там еще и змеи, кстати. Вчера буквально там даже немножко. Раньше высаживали, сейчас вот добавилось. Даже камень там вот мелко.
Wanna try it out?
Yes, I want to try the water here.
So how it tastes?
Tastes quite good. Quite good.
I want to try it too.
Знаешь, да? Я снимаю. Вот оттуда. Обожаю!
Omar, I am extremely tired but satisfied. What about you?
I'm also tired. I had a lot of fun. We saw all the beautiful places, and yeah, so it's 8 p.m. We have a 3-hour ride ahead of us, so we're just gonna pray in the mosque and we'll be on our way. See you later.